Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 7, chapter vectors, exercise 2. We are at question number 2 right now. So the question is, let's just go through the question. Vector R, which is equally inclined to coordinate axis, and mod of R is given to us. And basically we have to find out which one it is. Mod is not a worry because once we find the direction of a vector, unit direction in a direction, then we can always multiply with the desired mod. So the idea is first to find the direction. So we already have something which gives us the direction of any vector or a line with the coordinate axis. We know it is called direction cosines. So direction cosines are like cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. These are the direction cosines of the vector. And alpha is the angle it is making with x-axis, beta with y, and gamma with z-axis. And we know the property of direction cosines are cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. This is an identity. Now, let's just apply the information given to us. If it is making equal angle, that means alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. That means 3 cos square alpha is 1. That implies that cos alpha is actually equal to plus minus root root 3. It is a vector. Positive direction is also one line and the negative direction is also one line. Okay, so if the direction cosines are given to us, then how do we write the vector in that direction? It is simply cos alpha I cap, cos beta j cap, and cos gamma k. We already know that. Now we have the direction cosine values given to us. So let's write it. 1 by root 3 I plus 1 by root 3 j plus 1 by root 3 k. Now, this is in terms of direction cosine, and we have to recall direction cosine, the mod is always 1. So, our desired vector must have mod 15 root 3. But now we have manipulated it. So, just let's look at it. Okay. So, now this becomes what? 15i plus 15j plus 15k. This is a vector which is equally inclined to the vector and has mod 15 root 3. Now, a small bit of no. So, answer here is this, but do not forget that negative also is an answer. Usually, the answers are given in the first octant where everything is positive. So, that is why mostly you'll see in the books, they just take the positive value. But be aware, it should be negative. It can also be negative. So, another vector in the same direction is just same. I plus 15j plus 15k. This is another vector, another direction gives us another vector. So here our option is option B. Thank you.